Hey everybody, Chris Honig here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I hope y'all are doing well. Today I have in front of me our Scout 175 Dorado. This is the dual console version for the 17.5 foot boat. It's a 7 foot 5 inch beam, so plenty of stability on this boat, and then only draws 10 inches of water, so you can still get into really shallow draft areas. Also, this boat is self-bailing, but also has a bilge, so all your on-deck draining is going to come out the boat and not use your bilge, which is a really nice feature when you're keeping your boat in the water year-round. On the back of the transom, we have the Mercury 90 horsepower motor on the back. Plenty of power for this boat. You also have an option on other boats to upgrade to the 115. Swim platform with swim ladder on the back, and then a boat that's dual console, which creates a lot more seating on the boat. Still has some great fishing features with your gunnel rod holders for trolling on the back, live well underneath this port side transom seat, and then two really nice captain's chairs with swivels, and then your dual console with dual windshields, so your passengers can stay out of the wind if they need to. And then above me is our really nice Bimini top, which gives everybody shade coverage on here, and they can fold up or be taken off completely to give you that sun if you need it. As we come forward, this is where this 175 really shines, having two lounge seats with lots of storage underneath them, and then you're going to have storage underneath your bow cushion here, which can also be your swim casting platform, and then a high bow rail on this boat to keep kids contained if they're hanging out up front. And then you also have your separate anchor locker. So a really nice layout in this boat for handling everything from hanging out the sandbars to going a couple miles offshore to catch some fish for dinner. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100. Hope you have a great day.